Dari ang comfort.
Grabe daganag chanilas, uy. Lagi judge ka, moms. Kakaulit ko ni mo.
Buko ka ba? Magkakatuwa na rin. Nangyayapang balik yung sa kanila. Gusto ko na natin yung pag-abunto lang ito.
Wala pa gi-under ang bus. Pero nagmukbang na ako.
Guys, kagayan pa po to. Galing.
Time check, 7:10. So hi guys, today we are here in so gitawag ni boarding gate 1. So nagtagad mi sa among barge nga mo kuan. Among mukuan sa barge kay among kuan kay 11:50. So ay 11:30. So unsa na yung oras karon? Time check 7:40. So magtagad-tagad pag may pila ka oras no. Ay may makasakay. Makabot siguro may dito sa Siargao. 2 or 3. So update na mo. So mag-update rami guys. Babush.
Hello guys. Guys. Okay, so for today's video for today is we're going to Siargao Island. Hey! So as of this time, we are here at the boarding gate 2, waiting for our time. It's a 7:25 p.m. but our boarding is 11:30 pa. So, Marta, bye.
So guys.
Pag-intro na sa guys.
Pag ginawa ito yan.
Yawa man mo may padalay.
So for today's video guys, unsa man na imo ang maistorya? Unsa man imong gibati karong orasa?
Feeling excited as well as a bit of disappointed because we expected that our departure would be at 6 a.m. but it turned out to be at 11:30 a.m. in the morning, guys. So it's very expectation versus reality situation. That's all. Thank you.
Oh, that's so sad. So Mitch is feeling disappointed. Sa atong pangutan to ang second guest, si Miss Angel Locsin. Ma'am, unsa imong maistorya karong orasa? Unsa imong gibati?
Is this an English interview or Tagalog, Bisaya?
Oh my God.
We are stepping.
Uy, sige na, B.
I just want coffee, guys, and excited ko sa inch sa
Hotdog.
sa Cloud9.
So, ma'am, unsa imong kaistorya karong orasa? Unsa imong gibati?
First of all, hi.
The question is, say na lang, B. Unsa nga mga character or mga personalities ang imong ipagawas dito nga wala pa nimo gipagawas?
Akong pagka wild. Rar.
I've always been a conservative woman, but I think it's time to step out of my comfort zone. That's all. Thank
Abangan nyo guys kung anong mangyayari. See you there!
Pa-Japan.
But we go.
Welcome to China!
Lisod og lihi.
We're here in Garden View Homestay. The place is so nice. The room. Oh my God, there's a rice cooker. My life. Oy, dali ko ah. Sige ko mag second floor.
Mag-selfie na ta. Ay,
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Picture ko kay nga nabi naka.
Dari ang home party gahapon.
daw guys.